So Ventura is located on the California coast, just north of LA, between Santa Monica and Santa Barbara. It's about 106,000 residents, and we're a full service city, which means we provide police and fire as well as the usual city services. We selected VMware Zimbra because it is a web-based application. We have 2/3 of the city staff that are mobile, whether it be police, fire, or public works staff, and being able to access anytime, anywhere was critical. The desktop model doesn't work for them. The Zimbra email is very much a portal for everything that the staff do online. It's really the way the employee interacts with the technology for the city. It's also integrated in with a back-end system we have for our files so that we can manage our files remotely through Zimbra. So if you're on an iPad anywhere on the web or you're at home on your PC, it's the same interface and the same facilities. We were faced with an 8-year-old Microsoft Exchange system. We looked at replacing that as the first step, and it was a very expensive proposition to upgrade, but again, it didn't meet our model, our access 24/7 from anywhere model at all. So we started looking at different products that were as close as we could to Microsoft Exchange, because that's what our employees were used to, and just found that Zimbra met those needs. And the pricing model was very attractive as well. The top things we were looking for were, of course, email, messaging, and calendaring, and task management. That works on a number of browsers, so archiving was important, and the search was very important. We were attracted to Zimbra because it was far more developed than most of them, and was very close to Microsoft Exchange. Being web-based was the first thing. The second thing was that it had an open architecture so that we could tie it in with our other systems. It's very easy to use. Since deploying VMware Zimbra, the benefits have been significant. Well, there's obviously the cost efficiency, but the other benefit is we don't have to deploy it. People just get it off the server. It's a web app, so IT staff don't have to be bothered with the operating environment. It's lower cost than the alternatives, and it's easy to support. Since deploying VMware Zimbra, my staff are pretty happy because they don't have to go to desktops anymore. They can do an upgrade. They can train everything through the web, so it's just a lot easier for them. We're able to communicate quicker. Since deploying VMware Zimbra, they just have more flexibility in how they work, and more accessibility to their staff, and greater ability to collaborate. The efficiencies we've seen with VMware Zimbra is just lower cost of operation, lower cost of support. In terms of workflow, VMware Zimbra has been quite useful in terms of connecting it. Again, because of the open interface, we can connect it to all kinds of systems. We can transfer events between systems using VMware Zimbra. And we can tie it into process control computers and servers in our server room and other devices. And we're very happy with what we have. It's really become part of the organizational culture now. I'd recommend it because I think it offers the best cloud model that's out there right now.